Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, my little learners. Today, we're going to learn something very useful. It's called a pronoun. Can you say that with me? Pronoun? Let's find out what it means. Look at this sentence. Sarah is kind. Sarah plays with Sarah's dog. Did you notice something? We're saying Sarah again and again. That sounds a bit strange. Now look again. Sarah is kind. She plays with her dog. Much better, right? We use the words she and her instead of saying Sarah many times. Those words are called pronouns. They take the place of a noun. Let's learn some common pronouns. Sarah, she. Ali, he. Tom and Mia, they. The dog, it. You and I, we. These little words help us speak clearly without repeating names all the time. Let's try filling in some pronouns. Ali is tall, blank, can run fast. Yes, the answer is he. Sarah has a doll, blank, loves it. Right, it's she. My dog is cute, blank, is brown. Great, the answer is it. You and I are best friends, blank, play together. Correct, it's we. So remember, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Instead of saying names again and again, we use he, she, it, they, we and more. You did a great job today. Now you know what pronouns are and how to use them. Keep practicing by replacing names with the right pronoun. Happy learning, and see you next time.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.